Hello friends, subscribe our channel Mehran Academy and press bell icon for the notification. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone, my name is Serish, I'm from class first year. Today my topic is Nip the Evil in the Bud. It is a story of an Arab. Once upon a time there was an Arab who was traveling in the desert with his camel. First of all, it is a camel. Okay, now he is traveling with his camel. When the night falls, there's darkness every time. Then he thought, I should live and take rest here. Then he fixed up the tent and go into the tent. Okay. And he tied his camel to the rope with a rope. Like that one. Okay, I have tied. Now, when he was getting rest, in that time, the camel was shivering because of the cold. Like that. He was shivering. Then he thought, I should take permission to enter my head for my master. Then he asked, Master, may I enter my head into the tent? And the master was taking rest. Okay, then he entered. Then the next way, he was also shivering. Why? Because of the first two legs. He was shivering. Then he asked to the master, Master, may I also enter my first two legs into the tent? Then master said, okay. Then he take at that time. The tent was too short and he was too long. That's why it is that type of one. Then again he was shivering because of the left body. And he was shivering. Then he asked his master, Master, may I also enter my whole body? And master was in half sleep. He was sleeping only like that. He didn't let his sound. Then he thought, my master didn't say me no in that time and he will also not. Then he entered his whole body. When he entered his whole body, then the tent was broken down. Then what happened? The master was hardly within and he was like, oh my goodness. Then this story what tell us? This story tell us that don't become so sweet, then everyone take the undue advantages from you. And don't be very bitter, then everyone stay forever from you.
For more videos, subscribe our channel Mehran Academy and press bell icon for the notification. Thank you.